Hello friends, I am Jain Ji. This is our channel Jain Social. Recently, the Central Government has introduced Information Technology, Intermediate Guidance and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021. What is this significance all about? That we are going to reveal in this video. The new rules mainly focus on to control the social media, online news, OTT platform. Earlier, in general, we have controlled these platforms through Information Technology Act 2000. Recently, the new rules specifically designed to separately have the separate regulation for each platform. In 2018, the Supreme Court insists the central government to form guidelines against the online pornography, then the misuse of content in the online platform. In 2020, the Rajya Sabha ad hoc committee, which gave the alarming report about the sexual content that is spread in the social media, and also there is a report that Indians are watching more child pornography contents in the website. Followed by Indian government has taken stringent action against the pornographic website, and many of the websites are banned in India. Followed by the OTT platform also put under the direct control of Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Now the new guidelines which has segregated the social media platform into social media intermediaries and significant social media intermediaries based on the subscriber base they have. If anyone sending the illegal content, that may be a sexual content or violent content through the social media platform, then the person who is sending the illegal content is responsible for his act, not the social media platform which is providing the service to the person is responsible for the act. This protection is given to the social media platform under Section 79 of Information Technology Act 2000. This is called safety harbor mechanism to the social media platform. But now, if the social media platform not removing and stopping such content immediately within the specified time frame, then the social media platform also punishable under new regulation. The social media platform must appoint grievance redressal officer to get the complaint regarding to the content that is spread in their social media. The grievance redressal officer must send acknowledge to the complaint within 24 hours after the complaint received. Then he also must rectify the complaint within 15 days. The person, if affected by this content, then he may book a complaint or on behalf of other persons also book a complaint. In addition to that, the significant social media intermediaries such as Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and Instagram have some more responsibilities because they are big. They must appoint chief complaint officer, nodal contact person, then resident redressal officer. Their contact number and the address must be disclosed openly. Then they must reside within the territory of India. The complaint report must be submitted for every month. That must be include the complaint, how much they have received and how much action they have taken and how they have rectified those complaints. Then these social media companies must send the origin of information to the government. If the content is going to create any violence in the society or going to act as a threat to security of our state, then it is going to damage the international relation India has with the foreign countries, or else if it is a sexual content and going to fetch more than 5 years of imprisonment, because the government need this information to investigate properly the crimes and also stop the crime before going to happen. The second type of regulation is OTT, over the top regulation. Here the OTT platform, for instance Amazon Prime or Netflix, have to classify the content they are hosting into 5 groups. The first one is U, that means universal, which is allowed to display to all people. Then the U by A 7+. Here the people below 7 is restricted to watch this content. Then U by A 13+. Then U by A 16+. Then adult content. Here the adult only allowed to watch the adult content. Then these OTT platforms have to introduce parental lock, which control the 13+ age group audience, and also before they going to watch any adult content in the website, then there need to be a voluntary verification of their age. Then the program they are telecasting, that need to be ranked, and also before they telecasting the program, what kind of content they are going to display, that information. If it is an adult content, then the early warning must be present before they telecasting the program. Then finally, the news on digital media regulation. Here the news publisher must observe the Press Council of India Journalist Conduct Code and also the Cable TV Network Regulation Act 1995 regulations. In addition to that, there is 3-step regulation. The first one is self-publisher regulation. Here the publisher must solve the grievances regarding to they have published within 15 days. Then few of the publisher may join together to form a self-regulatory body. there may be one or more self-regulatory body. This regulatory body must registered within the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. The maximum number of members in this regulatory body not more than 6. Then the head of this regulatory body from the High Court judge or the Supreme Court judge or the eminent person in this field. This regulatory body also need to monitor whether the grievances are solved by the publisher within 15 days. Then finally, oversight mechanism, which is under the direct control of Information and Broadcasting Ministry, which have the committee to do the process. Then again, they have formed the policies and the guidances to the other regulatory body. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? The central government has recently released Information Technology Rules 2021, which focus on to control the social media, digital news, OTT platform. Won't it affect our right to expression and the online opportunities which are available to us? Give your opinion in our comment section. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.